Okay, we're here at a property in Joshua Tree, and this was purchased about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And we're just kind of checking up on the contractor, see how the progress is going on. And we're also comparing this to another property that we saw earlier, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. This is very similar to that one, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath with a 2-car garage. So pretty much what I would call a model match. So it looks like kitchen area is here on the left, dining, living, whatever you want to call it over here. Probably had a wall that went all the way up here. That was taken down. You put a little pony wall here to kind of open up the space. I'm assuming, and I'm correct in my assumption, that this is going to be where the stove is going to be, because there is a gas pipe coming out here. So we'll have the stove here, which is fine. So this is kind of a living area, and you watch TV on that wall and you'll be able to talk to your guests. A 2-car garage. And my son-in-law Ryan loves to drywall the garage, make it look nice and neat. So you can see that everything was done here. Drywall is inexpensive to do, and it does do a good job of making it look nice. So that's why you see that there. I don't know that he's going to replace the windows, but I imagine he would. And the backyard looks about the same size as the other property we came from. I don't know if he's going to do anything with the fence. Like if you see the other property over there, that looks like an Airbnb setup over there with that fencing and whatever else is going on in that small area. It could be a jacuzzi or a hot tub going on back there. So, oh my gosh, look at the wood rot and damage that's there. That's all gonna have to be replaced. So he actually bought this property for a little bit more than we paid. So we're doing good. Anyways, and in the primary bathroom, we never replace it with a tub. We always put a shower in there, especially if it's got 2 bathrooms. If it only had one, then yes, it would have a tub and a shower. But in the primary, it's just a shower. And at the end of the day, it's gonna look gorgeous. So if we walk this way, and it looks like he's gonna put air conditioning as well, because I can see the ductwork going on. This is bathroom number 2. They put a tub there, and then they're gonna put nice tile around the tub, as you see it there. And it looks like a big giant niche is going in the middle there. At least that's what it looks like to me. This is probably where the air conditioning unit is going to come, the furnace. I'm guessing that's where it's at. And then bedroom number 2. And when you're walking in these places, we want to make sure that you don't step on something like this, okay? So I like to turn them around. Okay, but you have to be careful when you walk into a construction site that you don't step on something and end up with a nail through your foot. Okay, because you're gonna get a tetanus shot. When's the last time you had a tetanus shot, Joe?
Probably as a baby.
See, and that's the perfect answer. Is like nobody knows when's the last time you had a tetanus shot. So you go and you say, "I've got a nail in my foot," and they go, "Oh, tetanus shot." Okay, so tetanus shots, you want to avoid stuff like that, really. So 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, I would say about 1,000 square feet in here. Lauren, 1,000 square feet? I got thumbs up over here. Oh, okay, see, now I see where the TV's going. He does that as well. He runs the line from the bottom there all the way up. So you have electricity, and then you also have the HDMI cable coming down so that you can plug the TV in there and not see any cabling. Okay, and then he also put the can lights as well, as you can see. All those can lights all over. It just brightens up the area, makes it look really nice and bright at the end of the day. So the flip that we just, the property we have under contract is, you're looking at it. It's going to be the same. It's not going to be much different. You're tearing out everything, kitchens, bathrooms, and then you're putting it back together. And then I want to see what kind of materials he's going to use in here for the flooring, and then the backsplash in the bathrooms and also in the kitchen area as well. I want to see what he's doing because he says he wants to gear this more towards an Airbnb type, but we'll see what goes on with that. Any questions?
Not so far.
No? You ready to do a project by yourself? No? Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Lauren, you ready to do another project by yourself?
Not by myself.
Oh, come on.
By myself?
Yeah, after we get done with this one, you guys are ready to, start getting those other 21 properties that Alex wants.
I'm ready for that.
Okay.
As long as I can still call you. Like, what do I do?
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Give me a call. Okay, anyway, thank you. Appreciate it. Reach out if you need any help. I'll be here.